In this video, I'll show you how to remove any malware or viruses from your Windows 11 computer. We'll be using tools that are already built into Windows, so you don't need to download anything extra. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to understand one thing. If your computer is heavily infected or completely out of control, it may be easier to reset Windows or reinstall it from scratch. But for most people, you can try scanning and removing malware using the built-in Windows security tool. This is also known as Windows Defender. Windows Defender is a free antivirus program that comes with Windows 11. It can scan your system and remove the most common malware and viruses. Microsoft keeps it updated regularly, so it's more powerful than many people think. To start, click on the search icon on your taskbar. In the search box, type the word Security. You should see an option called Windows Security in the search results. Click on that to open it. Now that the Windows Security app is open, look in the top left corner. You'll see a small icon with 3 lines. Click on that to open the menu. From the menu, choose Virus and Threat Protection. This is the section that lets you scan your computer for threats. You'll see a button called Scan Options. Click on that. Now, you'll see 4 types of scans you can run. Let me explain what each one does. The first one is called Quick Scan. This checks the most common places where viruses usually hide. It's fast and only takes a few minutes. You can try this if you just want to do a quick check. The second one is Full Scan. This will scan your entire computer. It checks every file and every program that's running. If you've never done a scan before, or if you think there might be something serious on your computer, it's best to run this one. But keep in mind, it can take over an hour to finish, depending on how many files you have. The third option is Custom Scan. This lets you pick a specific folder or drive to scan. Use this if you think the problem is in one place, like a USB drive or Downloads folder. The last option is Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This one is useful if you think there's a virus that starts running as soon as Windows turns on. When you run this scan, your computer will restart. Then, before Windows loads, it will scan your system. This way, malware doesn't get a chance to hide. It's a very powerful scan. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Full Scan, but I cannot see the finished results as it will take more than an hour to finish. But if you're doing this on your computer and you haven't run a scan in a while, you should also do a full scan and let it complete. Click on the scan you want, then click Scan Now. Windows will now begin scanning your computer. This can take a little time, so be patient. While it's running, try not to open too many programs. Just let it finish. When the scan is done, you'll see the results. If nothing is found, that means your system looks clean. If malware is found, Windows will either remove it or give you the option to take action. Follow the instructions that appear on the screen. Once you're finished with the scan, you can close the Windows Security window. It's also a good idea to restart your computer after a scan. This helps clear out anything that may have been removed during the process. That's it. You've now scanned your Windows 11 computer for malware using Windows Security. Thanks for watching.